A vehicle travels half the distance with speed v and the remaining distance with speed 2v. Its average speed is, एक डिस्टेंस है a to b, suppose this is x. तो हाफ डिस्टेंस, this is c, तो AC is x by 2 एंड CB is also x by 2. तो AC में मूवमेंट है, उसमें स्पीड है v और CB में स्पीड है v 2v. टाइम टेकन बाई A to C will be x by 2 by v and time taken in this C to B is x by 2 2v. This is T1, T2. Suppose average speed is v1. This is average speed. Total time t will be x by v1 and this will be equal to t1 plus t2. X by 2v plus x by 2 2v, or x by v1 is equal to x by 2v plus x by 4v, or 4v x common 2 plus 1 3x by 4v. So v1 will be 4v by 3x into x is equal to 4v by 3. So average speed होगी 4v by 3. This B is correct option. Next, a horizontal bridge is built across a river. A student standing on the bridge throws a small ball vertically upward with a velocity 4 meters per second. The ball strikes the water surface after 4 seconds. The height of the bridge above the water surface is, take g is 10 meters per second square. Suppose this is water surface and here is bridge. यहाँ से एक अपवर्ड थ्रो की जाती है u स्पीड से. u is 4 meter per second and this comes to water surface in t is 4 सेकेंड. अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में जो वेक्टर्स हैं उनको पॉजिटिव लें और डाउनवर्ड को नेगेटिव. u is 4 meter per second. Suppose this height is h. Then displacement is h. S is equal to ut plus half gt square. S is equal to h. U is upward positive 4. T is 4 second plus 1 by 2. G is downward minus 10 into 4 का square. 16 minus 5 into 16, 16 minus 80 minus 64. तो h की वैल्यू आ जाती है minus 64. माइनस साइन शोज द डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज डाउनवर्ड. तो हाइट ऑफ ब्रिज फ्रॉम द वाटर सरफेस इज 64 मीटर. बी इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन. A bullet from a gun is fired on a rectangular wooden block with velocity v, then when bullet travels 24 centimeter through the block along its length horizontally, velocity of the bullet becomes v by 3. Then it further penetrates into the block in the same direction before coming to rest exactly at the other end of the block. The total length of the block is, suppose this is a block and bullet is fired from here. This is V, पॉइंट A, और यहाँ से ये बुलेट टकराती है और किसी पॉइंट B पर इसकी वेलोसिटी becomes v by 3 and AB is equal to S is equal to 24 centimeter or 0.24 meter. The retardation is A. Initial velocity is v and final is v by 3. V square is equal to u square plus 2as. V by 3 का square is equal to v square plus 2a into 0.24, और v square by 9 is equal to v square plus 0.48a, और 0.48a is equal to v square by 9 minus v square is equal to minus 8 by 9 v square. 0.48a is equal to minus 8.9 v square. इक्वेशन नंबर 1. अब सपोज यहाँ से फर्दर मूवमेंट करता है and then this distance is s1 and final velocity becomes 0. इस कंडीशन में 0 का स्क्वायर विल बी v by 3 का स्क्वायर प्लस 2as1 और 2as1 is equal to minus v square by 9. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 यहाँ पे पुट कर दिया हमने 2as1 is equal to minus v square by 9. इक्वेशन नंबर 2. डिवाइड इक्वेशन 2 by equation 1. तो 2as1 by 0.48s1 is equal to minus 8 by 9 v square by minus v square by 9. This is 8. This is 48a. S1 this is minus v square by 9 upon minus 8 by 9 v square is equal to 1 by 8. S1 by 0.24 is equal to 1 by 8. S1 is 0.24 by 8 is equal to 0.03 मीटर. तो फर्दर पेनिट्रेशन होगा S1 0.03 and A to B is 0.24. तो टोटल लेंथ इज AB प्लस अगर ये C है BC और 0.24 प्लस 0.03 0.27 meter or 27 centimeter. This D is correct option.